Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace an extractor fan switch that's no longer working. Here's the new one that I've bought to replace the old one, which I bought from Wix for about £25, but I believe you can get it cheaper than that if you shop around. Now, I haven't disconnected anything yet, but this is what I will be doing. I'll be basically switching the connections to the new switch. Safety first, you must always turn off at the fuse box the relevant circuit. In my case, it's the upstairs lights, the first floor lights, which I've turned off because the extractor is part of that circuit. And always test it, make sure the lights are not coming on, make sure nothing's happening, and then you know you're safe to proceed with the disconnection. So I'm just going to disconnect the wires from the old switch, like so. That's half of them done there. Just need to now do the other half. There we go. They're all disconnected now. And then I'm going to connect these to the new switch. Here you can see half of them are now connected. I'm now going to continue and connect the remaining wires. There you can see they're all now connected. Now I'm returning to the fuse box to turn on the electricity to that circuit so that we can test it and see if it works. Okay, so now when we turn this on, it should power the lights in the bathroom and also the extractor fan. As you can see, I haven't yet screwed the new switch into the wall. So I've turned on the lights and I've turned on the switch for the extractor. And as you can hear, it is humming, which means we have done a good job with connections. And the remaining part is to screw it back into the wall. Here you can see I'm just screwing it back into the wall so that it will be back in position and can be used again flush to the wall. Well, we're all done now, and I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks very much for watching.